It's time to create, it's time to create, it's time to experiment and make something great. Show your own colors in your own way. It's time to create, it's time to create.
Today we're going to make Play-Doh snowmen. This is a fun sensory activity that can be done with Play-Doh and that can also be given as a gift. Basically, you'll start with white Play-Doh, roll it into balls, build a snowman, and then use fun poke-ins to add details to your snowman. Let's get started. The materials you'll need are white Play-Doh, beads, buttons, or googly eyes, and pipe cleaners, toothpicks, or twigs. Let's create. To begin, you'll roll the Play-Doh into balls. And then stack them into snowman formation. And then use the poke-ins to add details such as facial features, arms, hair, clothing, and other decorations. If you want to give a Play-Doh snowman as a gift, you can place it in a mason jar for a snow globe effect and add a bow and a tag. The recipient can enjoy the Play-Doh snowman and can also smush the Play-Doh and create anything that they like with the Play-Doh, either more Play-Doh snowmen or other items with the Play-Doh. I hope you enjoyed this art activity.